Hello guys, welcome back in another video. I am Maki. My mom gave me some nips black because they are going to the 7-Eleven. Ako po, naiwan po ng mami ko sa 7-Eleven. Pero I have some blacks. But I emptied some nips because I eat a lot some nips because I'm so hungry. Because I lost some hunger. So this blue one is different. It's connected. The red one is removed it. If I fix this one ng pulang black, pag nalagay ko po ng one blue back, what will happen? Is remove one back, but the other, remove it by another. So guys, bye. Oh, forget. Please link and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. See you next time.